Good morning, Primary 2. Today we will complete Unit 5. We need water to live. Lesson 3. Things in water. Lesson objectives. Pupils will learn in this lesson. Number 1. Things that float on water surface and things that sink in water. Number 2. Things that dissolve in water and the other things that don't dissolve in water. Firstly, things that float on water surface. Anything less dense than water will float. Anything less dense than water will float. There are things that float on water surface, such as ping pong balls, balloon, paper, wood, board, plastic toys, and empty bottles. Again, ping pong balls, balloon, paper, wood, board, plastic toys, and empty bottles. Look at the picture. You can see that there are things which float on water surface, such as plastic toy, ball, pot, and empty bottles, because these things has less dense than water, so they float on water surface. What about things that sink in water? We said that anything less dense than water will float. And here, anything more dense than water will sink. Anything more dense than water will sink. There are things that sink in water, such as metal, keys, rocks, rubber, and coins. Again, metal, keys, rocks, rubber, and coins. Our activity today: bring a bucket and fill it with a clean water. Then bring different things. Bring different things, such as rocks, leaves of trees, toys, and coins. Put these things in water. You will see that there are things which float on water surface, such as leaves of trees and plastic toys. And there are another things which sink in water, such as coins and rocks. The second point in our lesson: you couldn't see the sugar in the cup. Why? There are substances that are soluble in water. Soluble means dissolve. Soluble means dissolve in water, such as sugar and salt. Sugar and salt. Look here. Bring a cup of water and dissolve in it some sugar. After a few seconds, sugar will dissolve in water and form a sugar solution. The same with salt. Bring a cup of water and dissolve in it some salt. After a few seconds, salt will dissolve in water and form salt solution. Salt solution. In the other side, there are substances that are insoluble in water. Insoluble means doesn't dissolve. Insoluble means doesn't dissolve in water, such as sand and a chalk. Sand and a chalk. Look at these pictures. Here, soluble or dissolves. For example, salt in water or sugar in water. Here, insoluble. Insoluble means doesn't dissolve in water. For example, sand or in water. Sand in water. Thank you.